Yo guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to create your own game launcher. It's for any game that you guys publish. So I made a game with Unity, and that's what I'm going to be using as my game. So yeah, we're going to be creating this through Visual Studio C Sharp 2019 and WinForms apps. So let's go ahead and get into it. So first, we're going to need to open up Visual Studios. Depending on what you have, Visual Studio Code, Visual Studios 2017, any of that works. Just go ahead and open it and create a new project. Go ahead and WinForms.app net framework CZ launcher. That's what I'm gonna call it. Oh, wait, no, I'm gonna call it dev. I'm gonna call it Mikey launcher. And once you do that, just create Mikey launcher and WinForms app.net framework. And once you have that, you'll open up this window right here. This is the window basically that everybody uses to go ahead and create their applications. So the first thing we're gonna do is you can do whatever you want. The customization. So for the background, you could change the back color of it. For me, I'm just gonna change the back color to. I'm just gonna change the back color. You can also select an image if you want an image, and then import an image by select. Let me actually open up these property window right there. So this you can import an image right here by going to background image, import, and import an image. But I'm just gonna be using, for instance, I'm gonna use this color. Then guys, go ahead and grab yourself a panel, and this is how we're gonna be using the panel. So the panel is basically gonna be the thing that stores our game launcher, like game launcher, the welcome. You guys will see what we're gonna do with this. So then you can change the. So we got the panel. So then you want to change the back color of the panel, something like that, right? And then you could put. Here's where we could put the buttons. Let's stretch out this window a little bit to right there. Alright, so then we're gonna put the buttons. So just go here to toolbox and buttons, and go ahead and just stretch this out like that. Then go over here to your properties window and change the text right here and change it to, let's say, what game you have. So I guess I'll call this like a shooter. I'm gonna be using a shooter game, but that I made from past videos or video coming up. Shooter, and I'm gonna go ahead and double click this. So basically, we want to show this panel. So on start, we're not going to show this panel. We're going to show our welcome feed panel, which we're going to create here in a little bit. So first, we're going to actually go ahead and say panel one dot show, which basically is panel one dot show, and then do right what I just did here, panel one dot show, and then this basically we're referencing this panel one to show. So then let's Control C, Control V this button, and then go ahead and name this one welcome. Or there's so many things you'll be able to do after I'm done explaining all this. Welcome. So double click this button, and this button you want to say panel one, copy and then paste it right here, and then take out the show and put hide. And then we want to create another panel. Control C, Control V. Simply put it out of take it out of here, or then it will be part of that. So just barely take it out. You can overlap it like that if you want. You'll still be able to edit the back one by just taking this down like that and then taking it back up. So for now, we're just gonna put our panel like that, and this is gonna be the welcome panel. Basically, we could just grab like whatever you want on your welcome panel. This is basically what you want to put there. So I'm basically gonna go ahead and put this right here. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the font, bold, 20, boom. And we're gonna say like welcome to C Mikey launcher, or your launcher name, and then welcome to Mikey launcher. And then on the, since it has that, so now we want to go to shooter, and then we want to say panel 2 dot hide. So it's gonna hide that panel, And this one we want it to show panel 2. Show. Very simple, very basic. And then on starting, we want it to hide panel 1, which is the game panel, and then show. Wait, oh, sorry. Panel 1 dot hide, and then panel 2 dot show, which is the welcome panel. So let's go ahead and test this. So as you'll see, the shooter, if we click on shooter, we're going to this panel. If we click on welcome, we're going to this panel right here. Now guys, let's go ahead and take this window down a notch right here. We'll up it right there, but this is going to be our game. So basically Control C, Control V, this button right here. Select this and go to the text and then say play, right? Then we're gonna take a label. We're gonna put the name of the game, like how you want to customize your game. So this is going to be my name right here. The button's gonna be right here for me. And then we're gonna say shooter, the name of your game, right? Just press enter. Then you can change the font boldness. I'm gonna change it to 16, like that. Shooter. And then we're gonna put shooter right here. And then we're gonna get a picture box. And on this picture box, we're gonna basically have. Put this front. Put this right here. We're gonna have the background of our game image. Now this is gonna be our game image itself. So yeah, like the background. Let's say background. So for reference, I'm just gonna get a shooter image from browser. A shooter image. I don't really know what that is, but I'm just gonna say let's just say we don't have any image right now. But yeah, you wanna just put I'll just say shooter game. Skip past this part if you already have an image. I get this one right here. Boom. Minus out. Go back into Visual Studios and then select this right here, and then select size mode, stretch image, and then choose image right here, and then import, and then desktop wherever you have your image, and then select your image, and then select OK. And as you can see, you'll see this right here. And then we're basically done. No, we're not done. Let's go ahead and press Control C, Control V, and here is we're gonna put some previews. Control C, Control V. But then we'll have to create the launch the game button, so we're not done yet. And we'll say screenshots. Oh wait, no. We changed the wrong thing. Sorry guys. Oh, this is falling apart. What the heck is going on? I guess just leave it like that. Just leave it like that. And then right this one we want to put screenshots. Oh my god, I'm spelling bad right now. And then we'll just put Control C, Control V, same thing, and these will be the same images but change them to what you want. And then here we're gonna double click on the play button, and this is where we want to go ahead and create this. So go to your file, go to your this PC, go to Windows, C drive, whatever drive you have it on, and then go to Custom or whatever your thing is called, and then go to Source, Repos, and then here you have it. If you want to find this by default, just scroll up to here, and then just click right here, and then Control C, and then Control V up here. And then now you'll have this is like your directory, and then go to bin, debug, bin, and then debug. And then right here is you could right click, create a new folder, and then call this the games. This is where we'll go ahead and want to place our games at. So open another file explorer, and then go to where you have your game at. I'm just gonna go to my game directory. Shoot. Wait, no, that's the game that I'm releasing. Shooters. Wait, no, shoot. I think it was shoot. I think it was shooters. Assets. Alright, there. Yeah, this is the game. Shooters. So take your game, whatever game you want, and just go ahead, place the builds folder. Boom, and then there you go. So you wanna right click this right here. No, just select this right here, up top, and Control C, basically the path, and then go right here where click on the play button, double click on the play button, and say system.diagnosis.process.start, and then in quotation marks put a at, boom, and oh wait, no, we need to put the at for this, sorry, at before this, and then we want to put a, see what, I don't know why I just do it myself. Then we're gonna put slash the game. Where should I? Oh, it's right here. Sorry. Slash shooters.exe. Slash shooters.exe, or whatever your game is called. Then press Control S, and then our game launcher is ready. Oh, since that's down there, shooters right here, shooter screenshots, and then play, and boom, our game is launched like that. There's nothing really in this game. Didn't really just cache. You get cache. That's videos coming out. But yeah, you have a welcome page. Actually, let's put that back up. And then shooters welcome. Boom. Select play, and then boom, you got yourself a game launcher. Nice launcher. Peace out. See you in the next video.